guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And I didn't want to make an impression of oh ये YouTube वाली लड़की है. So, for anybody who's new here, hi, my name is Diana Patel and I'm a final year MBBS student, which means this is my last year of college and my college life is gonna be over in no time. So I think I can give you some advices. I am the right person to tell you what all things that I've learned in college and what I want you to not make mistakes. So let's not waste time and move further.
Okay.
So the first advice that I would like to give you is that don't be so naive. Don't try to be friends with everybody or don't try to be like talk to everybody, be sweet to everybody. You don't have to do that because not everybody deserves your kindness, and that you will realize later in your college life. You will regret that why did I even talk to that person in such a good way. Each and every advice I'm also going to be giving my example wherever it is possible. Of course, I'm still in college, I can't reveal everything, but once college is over, I can be full bindas. I'll tell you everything, even names maybe, not name. For example, in first year when I was like sitting and there was this guy behind me and he asked me some very personal question, like very personal question he asked me and I was just like ये क्या बोल रहा है ऐसे. So don't be that. तुम्हें अगर कोई चीज़ नहीं पसंद आ रही है तो हंसो मत उस पे. Just react. If you don't like it, you don't like it. And second is that dress up nicely. I mean, it's college life, of course. I mean, I don't even have to tell you everybody is gonna dress up very nice. I know that. I kind of dress up nicely. My day is productive, and that's just a thing which I don't know. कुछ relation नहीं है, बस है वैसा. And the third advice is that take your academics seriously. I don't know if I'm the right person to say that, but you should, because if you take your academics seriously, then everything that you do becomes cherry on the cake. But what are you gonna do with the cherry when you don't even have the cake? If your studies are going well, then you will be more satisfied and you can do a lot of other things kind of in a guilt-free way. And the fourth advice is that I've seen many people say that you can, change your personality the way you always wanted. But I feel like what you are and what you always wanted is always different. I am somebody who's bubbly and I'm like, no, I don't want to be bubbly. I want to be like a serious kid. Then I might be able to do that for a short period of time, but uske baad it won't last longer because I am not that person. So don't try to fake your personality. And the number fifth advice is that don't tell people your weakness. Even if they are your friends, you think they are your friends in the initial few months, because at that point you actually don't know who are your friends. If you try to tell your weakness and पूरा अपना जीवन का कथा उनको बता दोगे, then they might use them against you later in your college life. So don't try to be an open book. आपके दोस्त अच्छे बन जाते हैं after a year or so. Then you can tell them everything. Then they are your friends. But उसके पहले I don't think neither anybody is your friend nor is anybody your enemy, and they might target it. So it's better that you just start accepting it. So when somebody else target it, you don't feel bad about it. You're like, I know, बहुत न्यू. या तो फिर इनसिक्योरिटी बताओ ही मत. अगर बता रहे हो तो पहले एक्सेप्ट कर लो फिर बताओ. You will have to create your own comfort space. Now what do I mean by this? घर से कॉलेज जा रहे हो, then what are you doing? आप कॉलेज में जा रहे हो, आप नए लोगों से मिल रहे हो, but at the end of the day you're coming back to your own people. You're coming back to your own comfort place, comfort food, comfort people. When you move out of your city, you're going to college with all these different new people. You don't know them. You're just there alone in a city which is also new for you. At that point, आप जब आप कॉलेज से हॉस्टल आते हो तो हॉस्टल में भी नए लोग होते हैं. आपका कोई comfort place नहीं होता है, आपका कोई comfort food नहीं होता है. उधर आपको मेस का खाना पड़ता है, which is not even close to your mama's khana. So I think this is the time when you kind of hit rock bottom. If you have never moved out of your city, you will feel like कि ये मेरा rock bottom है, which is not, but you will feel like it. So at that point, it's gonna be very important for you to create your own comfort space where you feel genuinely happy, because you wouldn't have anything to come back to if you're having a bad day. If you're living in hostel, learn how to compromise. When you're in a hostel, probably in a sharing room और अकेला रूम है तो आप फिर luxuriously रहो, पर अगर नहीं हो तो आपको शेयरिंग में रहना पड़ेगा. Probably you'll have to share bathrooms and rooms and everything. You might have a certain way of doing things, but other person is having some different way. So you'll have to come to a middle ground, and I feel like, but it's good also. In life also, you'll have to at some point compromise with anybody that you live with. And yeah, I think hostel life teaches you a lot about that. Take bold decisions if you have to. For example, I started my channel when I was moving into the medical college. At that point, I filmed that whole video. I edited it within like a day or two, but I did not upload it for straight 2 months. And the reason was, and at that point YouTube was not something that everybody was doing. YouTube was very rare as in the medical community. I got really scared, which I should not have, but I got. So that's why I didn't put up a video, because I thought what people are gonna think about me and everything. And I didn't want to make an impression of, oh, ye YouTube wali ladki hai. And even when I uploaded a video after 2 months, within a second I deleted it, because again I got so scared. Whenever now I feel like, sometimes I feel like, oh, I'm not able to take bold decisions and everything. I look back and I think that when I had to, I did. In spite of whatever that was going on in my mind, I did make that decision. And of course, when we talk about college, it's impossible to not talk about peer pressure. Okay, this is very important. In college, I can't be like very straightforward with it, but everybody knows what happens in medical college. Okay, अगर वो चीज आपको नहीं करनी है, आपके दोस्त कर रहे हैं, so you don't have to do it. Trust me, you don't have to. There are so many people who just do it just because their friends want. If you want to do it and you are doing it, then it's fine. मतलब it's still not fine. But if you don't want to do it, but your friends are doing it, and that's the only reason you are doing it, गिव अप, स्टॉप इट राइट देयर. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप कोई चीज़ के बारे में उन्हें, आपके दोस्तों को मना करोगे एंड दे विल बी ऑफेंडेड एंड दे वोंट बी योर फ्रेंड्स, देन दे आर एक्चुअली नॉट योर फ्रेंड्स. सो लर्न हाउ टू से नो. एंड वन मोर इज दैट ट्राई टू लिव इन अ, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से दिस, बट मतलब थोड़ा सा एकदम लग्जरियसली रहने की कोशिश मत कर. थोड़ा सा पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करना सीख लो. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं आज तक कभी भी एसटी बस में नहीं बैठी, पर अभी जब मुझे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करना पड़ता है कॉलेज से घर से कॉलेज, देन आई हैव टू यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो आई लर्न दैट. आई इनिशियली आई वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड. अभी मैं अकेले ट्रैवल करती हूँ बस में, रात को भी, कभी भी, एंड आई फील ओके बिकॉज आई डिड इट सो मेनी टाइम्स एंड नाउ आई एम प्रीटी मच कंफर्टेबल विद इट. जैसे कि हॉस्टल में पब्लिक वॉशरूम्स है, तो काफी लोग होते हैं जो, अगर हॉस्टल्स गंदी होती है, सो दे गो एंड लिव टू कोई आउट ऑफ कैंपस हॉस्टल, व्हिच आई डोंट थिंक इज राइट. सो मेनी पीपल लिव आउटसाइड ऑफ द कैंपस एंड आई फील लाइक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक. फर्स्टली, यू आर नॉट गोइंग आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. आप घर पे भी प्राइवेट रूम, उधर आके भी वही चीज कर रहे हो. सो आप कुछ सीख नहीं रहे हो नया. दिस इज आई थिंक अ डिबेटेबल टॉपिक, बट आई फील लाइक यू लर्न अ लॉट व्हेन यू पुट योरसेल्फ आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. एंड आई पर्सनली लिव्ड फर्स्ट ईयर में इन दैट ओल्ड हॉस्टल. एक फ्लोर पे 3-4 कॉमन वॉशरूम होते थे. आई लर्नड अ लॉट ड्यूरिंग दैट फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ माई लाइफ. आई कांट इवन इमेजिन राइट नाउ लिविंग लाइक दैट, बट नाउ आई नो इफ आई हैव टू, आई विल, बिकॉज आई हैव वंस डिड दैट, सो आई कैन डू इट अगेन. या आई थिंक रात का अंधेरा भी हो गया, मेरा लाइटिंग भी चला जा चुका है. आई शुड रियली बाय अ रिंग लाइट, बट एनीवे, college life is gonna be one of your golden period of your life, and no matter how it passes, you're gonna remember this time. With that, I'm just gonna end this video. If you enjoyed this, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe to this channel if you haven't.